Hi guys, today I'll show you how you can get a custom keyboard when you talk. First, you should get this app called Keyboard. Can do like notes. You get a daily bonus right here. Then you can come here and pick whichever you want. And then to get the keyboard, you have to watch some ads, but it's all worth it at the end because you can get this keyboard while typing. Let me show you. Where's mine? Okay. Look at your downloads. And then these are all of the ones. These are pre-installed, so you could use these without even having to watch ads. So this is the keyboards right here. It's really cool. Also comes with these custom stuff. And also this. Anyways, if you found this helpful, make sure to watch my other videos so I can get more views in the future. See you later, guys.